All right, so it's restaurant review time. Now, here's the situation. We just got done doing the radio show with Jonathan Garcia, the two-time Olympian. And originally, the plan was that we were going to go out to Sugar House Park, and he was going to train me and teach me some techniques that he's teaching other athletes right now. He started a new business, partnered up with an NHL professional hockey player. Together, they're starting to train different athletes, from skiers to skaters to hockey players to soccer players. And we were gonna go do a little training session. But what we decided to do is I'm gonna go to one of their legit training sessions next week. And rather than doing like just kind of a teaser of a training session, we're gonna go do the real training session next week. So instead, we decided that Bailey, Jonathan, and myself will go do a restaurant review. So we're on our way right now to Mimi's Cafe. I've actually been there before and I do enjoy their food, but want to review the food, go through the normal protocol, ask the waitress what I should order. Then we can get Jonathan's opinion as well on his food. And I'm excited to, instead of working out, go eat breakfast. Thank you. Thank you. So I don't even look at the menu because I have to wait till she tells me what to order.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. What do you recommend? What's your favorite?
Honest, I don't like to recommend. Sorry, I don't want to say like that.
What do you like? What do you love?
And the omelet,
Yeah.
the bacon avocado.
Okay.
And actually, the people don't order that one a lot.
Okay.
And the second one, it is, they forgot that is my name now, but it is a Santa Fe.
Okay.
Come with the chipotle sauce.
You said the bacon avocado?
Bacon avocado.
That looks good. I'll try it. Thank you.
So bacon avocado, I like that one, and people order that one a lot.
Oh, good.
So
okay.
you like bacon and avocado?
Perfect.
You're happy with that one.
I do like bacon and avocado.
And
Thank you. Appreciate it. Awesome. Oh, yes.
The
Thank
plate
you
can
so
be a
much.
little fat, so be
Okay.
careful,
Thank you.
So they put in the mushroom.
All right, so the waitress recommended the bacon avocado omelet, which actually looks amazing. Look at that. I'm gonna get a little avocado in this bite as well. All right, here we go. It has a lot of good flavors in there. That's really good. All right, so we just did our restaurant review of Mimi's. I went with the typical protocol where I asked the waitress what they recommend. So that way I can gauge the review based off of something that's kind of a hot dish at this particular restaurant. She went with the avocado bacon omelet. And man, I have to say I approve of that omelet. It was absolutely delicious. I really enjoyed it. It had a lot of good flavors. Jonathan, you got?
I got the turkey bacon sandwich, the turkey bacon club.
Okay.
It was really, really good. It's super solid.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So I think if you're looking for a good place to grab some lunch or grab a breakfast, definitely come out and check out Mimi's. All right, so if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them in the comment section below. And I will see you guys on the next video.